Yeah! Woo!
Call it how it is. I promise it's swag.
What's up, you guys? It's me and Wheelie, bro. We got a little local spot. One of the places we were thinking about checking out. So it's kind of curved, but we're gonna do what we can anyways. So should be fun. Got WEnis TV with me today. Big shit. All right, what's up, guys? Not the best lot, but we're making it work. It's a little curvy for sure. There we go. Definitely making it happen. Killing it. I'm giving it too much brake because, okay, so I want to explain something real quick that makes sense and made a lot of sense to me, and that is when you're doing circles. Imagine you're doing a straight line wheelie, and I noticed this a bunch when I was trying idle. You do a straight line wheelie, and if you bring the front end too far back, the bike stops or it stalls out or whatever, or you hit the 12 bar or something. So in a circle, once you let the bike dip, when you keep that front tire real high like that, to where in a straight line wheelie you would probably stall out or go too far back or have to brake rape it to a stop, the bike's just going to keep going. Oh shit. Yeah. So in a circle it's just going to keep rotating. So that's what I have to try to drive into my head, that, you know, keeping the front tire high isn't going to stall the bike out. It's going to let me keep going through the circle, and that's why I'm doing 1 or 2, you know, circles max, and then, you know, after that I'm not getting anywhere. So shit. This should be a pretty good representation though of what it's like, because you see all those clutch up marks? That's what you have to do over and over. Oh man, have fun with it and the rest will come, man. Trust that. Try not to get aggravated, just have fun and watch how fast. Oh, you boy trying some clutch work or what? Oh shit. Ah, shit. Woo! 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 Yeah! I'm having so much fun, but it's so hot. right, I'm done. Damn it.
Feds in the streets. Red licking up. Trip licking up. Link up my let's link up. I done start by